today we're doing carpet. So we're adjusting their steering wheels, we're adjusting their seats, and we're making sure that everything in their vehicle is working as it should be. I personally love it because we're able to get the experience before going out to the real world. We're able to build that rapport with people, and it's just practicing our communication with them.
Prior to this, I have a bachelor's in kinesiology. I always saw myself, even throughout college, to be able to help people. I was in between 2 degrees, but occupational therapy was my thing, so I got my kinesiology degree, and I dove into occupational therapy just because I saw how much more personal it was to a person. Occupational therapy is something that we do to help a person gain back their independence. People know about occupational therapy, but the people that don't, it's important to kind of expose them to see the difference that we can make in the world.
The professors are really helpful, they're really hands-on. I mean, we have a great cohort, everyone helps each other out, and the opportunities are endless here.